Hi, it's Dr. Elisha Van Dusen at New Hope Chiropractic. What's the correct way to get back on your feet after a fall? Well, this is especially important this time of year because winter for many means ice, slippery situations, um, also rain, wet, slick surfaces. And so these are all really, really easy ways to fall. It's common even on the western coast and milder climates where folks experience slips and falls because of excess rain, if not snow and ice. So what's the best thing to do if you find yourself having slipped and fallen? Well, first you want to assess the situation. The first to point out that this is no substitute for emergency visits to the doctor, particularly if your pain is extreme or you think you've broken something, but or movement is severely hindered, or there's an obvious fracture. But falls clearly take a toll on the body, and you definitely want to see a chiropractor as soon as possible, even if your spine didn't take a direct hit, because it literally bears the weight of your body. And changes in your biomechanics of how you move because of a banged up hip or knee, for example, can cause your spine to compensate accordingly, and this can cause many greater issues, not to mention compensation and over a long period of time, spinal degeneration. So even with bruising and pain, it's ideal to see a chiropractor as soon as possible too, because they can assess your situation and your condition. So immediately after a fall, the first thing you should do is take a breath. Just calm down, take stock of the situation if you can. I know it sounds easier said than done. Before you jump up and run off to where you were headed, just breathe and let your body settle down, acclimate to what just occurred. That may even mean simply hanging out on the ground or floor for a moment. It allows you to center and ground yourself, and that can make you more stable for when you do stand up and start moving again. And then once you're back into your daily life and routine, be willing to modify your movements. This may mean that you take a few days off from the gym until the stiffness and inflammation go down, along with the pain going down too. It may even mean that your exercise routine is lightened by a certain weight range or limiting the time at your gym by a certain amount. The point here is that too many people frequently undergo a fall and then jump directly back into the daily sprint and daily routine, and they disregard the pain and the comfort while diving headlong into their daily life. Though pain doesn't tell the whole story, or even most of it, in regard to your overall health and your body, while it's present, we're supposed to listen to it. It's a signal, it's a sign, basically. And folks don't heed that, and they don't modify or slow down and lighten up, and that can lead to more severe injuries in the future. Inflammation and swelling are a natural part of the healing process, and ideally one does not want to wipe out this process, but rather listen to it and let it run its course sometimes. So in the couple days following your fall, use ice in the injured area for 10 to 15 minutes and then leave it off for 45 to 60 minutes, and then repeat that as often as you need to. This will help with pain, decreasing pain. In addition, it's a natural anti-inflammatory, wipes out the swelling a little bit and helps the body recuperate. Also, some other natural anti-inflammatories are garlic, turmeric, bromelain, which is found in pineapple juice, and also the chiropractic adjustment helps to reduce inflammation. It speeds the healing process from the inside out. It assists the proper cell and debris cleanup in your body and helps your nervous system function again. Slips and falls will happen at some point in life, and there are some things you can do to minimize the negative effects of these falls and increase the healing process over time. So stop in at our office at New Hope Chiropractic and let us help you heal yourself through specific chiropractic adjustments, which you should always do after any kind of a fall or trauma. So with that, check out our website, newhopechiropractic.com, and have a very healthy day.